You like that, Caitlin? What's her name?
Megan.
Megan. Do you like to get a goat one day? Huh?
Yeah.
What would you do if a goat?
I would feed it and play with it.
Yeah? Would you make ice cream out of it? Milk and all?
Yeah, I would make ice cream out of it.
Yeah? Oh, here comes another goat. Gentle with him. Whoops. Yeah. And who's this here? Is this Buddy Boy?
Yeah. A guy.
Stay back from the cow.
Likes you, Daddy. This one likes you.
It does. Yeah, he does.
That one likes you. And it's itching itself. Get it! Look at the cow! Dude, the cow! The cow!
I see him. This one here's licking my leg. He's licking my leg.
If the cows don't know how to say moo, they aren't smart. And that is a cow.
Yeah?
It's not saying moo.
You're having a good time out here, buddy, aren't you?